Hello everyone, this is Disha, Mehak and Vindi from UWA. Today we are here to share our ideas on cloud computing technology. Let's start now. What is cloud computing? There are many definitions of the term that are more or less vague. In simple way, we can say that it is a technology where computer resources and capacity are made available to the customer as an internet service. In the language of IT industry, it is considered as the fifth generation of architecture. Trust me, you will not be disappointed after you hearing me out. In general, here are the main types of cloud models: public, private, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud is designed for free use of a wide range of users. Private cloud is operated solely for the organization. Hybrid cloud is composite of two or more clouds. And it will going to have a huge impact on our business. Like there is no more need to invest in data centers because that is what cloud has made so easy for us. Apart from that, it will help to increase our customer relationship by providing everything in a minute. That is what we should focus because it will bring us more benefit. After introducing the three main types of cloud models, the next part is about the major provider and the positive effect of cloud computing. While focusing on the benefits of the cloud, we came to know that there are two major groups who are providing cloud services. One is supplier of cloud computing platform, such as Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and the second one is the suppliers of cloud services that owns the software from other companies to create their own services. In a new study, CloudMod, IBM interviewed executives at a variety of large enterprises in industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing, who have made or are starting the transition to cloud. Their feedback reveals several best practices that can help organizations determine where to start and avoid some of the common bumps and plot holes along the way. Talking about the difference cloud computing made, we pick up a specific field, medical industry. Why cloud computing makes a big difference in medical industry? There are many reasons. Some examples include managing non-siloed patient data and sharing it among different parties, such as medical professionals or patients checking their own status and treatment follow-ups, reducing operational costs, such as data storage. For now, one of the most advanced medical technological platforms is cloud-enabled healthcare system. What is the content of cloud-enabled smarter healthcare system? We divided it into three parts. A. The cloud platform of smarter healthcare system. It is for data sharing, business collaborations, and decision analysis inquired by other health agencies. B. Health and medical services and civilian medical services. It is to support the promotion both in primary medical treatment and public health. C. Three databases: personal health record system, electronic medical record, and demographic information. In the blue script, after those preparations are setting up, intelligent medical system, which covers the whole region, is ready to benefit all citizens in the area. After talking about the positive aspects of cloud computing, is there any risk or difficulties in the application of this technology? Sure it is. Basically, legislation makes a fundamental distinction between the data controller, that is the party that defines the purpose, and the data processor, that is the performer. And it is necessary for a company to find a new way to protect their individual data from being misused by someone else or edited by unauthorized people. Basically, companies need to focus on two basic things, which is security practice and data transparency. Security is a major concern in the cloud computing, and that's why the information is stored in an encrypted form, so that while transforming your data in the cloud by using internet, customers won't losing their private information, such as bank details. And the second one is transparency. Like you can access the data from anywhere, and it allows to access a system without changing the structure or programming. There is still a long way to improve and complete the technology in a real business setting. The problems mainly reflect some features of the primary healthcare institutions. First, the low information level. Second, the medical problems. Third, the weak supervision. Fourth, the direct service to citizen. Fifth, the big dispersion range. Sixth, the large number among all the hospitals. These situations reflect the difficulties of getting medical service and the high cost of getting medical services. From this aspect, we should consider both supervision and service difficulties in using cloud computing technology.